here is our OEM PRObuilt box. Kind of give you a rundown. We'll put it over here to kind of show you exactly what we're doing with this box. We completely disassemble it. We no longer use the factory bearings. We do use the shim and the original roller and worm gear after very hard audit on the steering box itself. We look for everything like lumps, wear marks, water penetration, rollers that don't move fluidly. Everything is kind of audited to make sure that there's no issues anywhere. Once we do that, we sandblast the case. We machine all the bearing surfaces. Then we bead blast the worm gear, and we check the roller for any wear on the actual drive gear and the seal area on the shaft. Same up here. Once those are deemed good, then we put them through different baths, including the bluing process that puts this what is black, kind of weird to say that, but it is a black finish on it. Then we sit it all those pieces in oil, and we soak them overnight so they kind of impregnate all the pores of the metal. We put new FAG roller bearings, Wolfsburg West seals and gaskets, put it all back together, and use cornhole grease. It's cornhole grease. Cornhole grease. Cornhead grease. Woo-wee. We make sure that the adjustment screw is perfect. Put a new jam nut. We make sure that the cogs here for the pitman arm, drop arm are perfect. File the bottom half so it's good. Then we bead blast the steering box top, and then soak it in oil and machine it for greasable zerks. And then we set it up to have the proper thrust. All the components that are exposed are blued so they don't rust. Case, powder coat, this is soaked in oil for a day. It's the best bang for your buck. Prices on these can fluctuate dependent on what the common market value is for parts, but check in the description below for current products, or check up here and there'll be a link to our product for this OEM PRObuilt steering box, built by people who care, for the best clients in the world. What's up, guys? We're going to talk about thrust washers today for your spindle nuts. Very odd topic, but I wanted to kind of show you the aftermath of these thrust washers after they were done per Volkswagen's ideal situation with not roller bearings, ball bearings. And what they do is you tighten them up till they have a little bit of play. I'll kind of show what the original diagram shows how to do it, and the way that we do it we'll show here on how to tighten them until the rotor of the drum does not move, and then back it off a quarter of a turn, kind of creating preload. If you don't, you're going to create these grooves where the bearing is walking in there, and you'll have failure, and you'll have thrust washer problems. You need to have the proper thrust on the bearings. Obviously, roller bearings and ball bearings have different thrusts. We won't go into that today specifically, but I just wanted to kind of showcase like how bad these look, because they were done improperly. So make sure you watch that video. We'll link it up right here of how to adjust bearings properly if you have roller bearings. That's all for now. Airkewld would like to thank you for watching today's film. If you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Discount codes, product descriptions, links to our website are located in the description below. We appreciate it again for watching. Catch you on the next time.